It's 10 minutes to 6 account. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 Lego lamps. These are the pieces you'll need: one black, one green, these, this one, and yellow, whatever color you like. First you start with this black piece, then green, and put it up here. So that's going to be your first lamp. Yeah, it's pretty small. Then you take this piece, this one, and stick it up here, like that. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to people. So that's how you can hold this one, like this. Not too big. Or you can just hold like this, that. And this one is like beside trees and something like that, like in the grass, you know. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and tell me if you like it. And yeah, see ya next time.